Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we have studied Kelvin's double bridge method. Now, coming to the fourth method for the measurement of low resistance, that is ohm meter method. This method is also known as Doctor ohm meter method. Basically, this Doctor ohm meter method is used for the measurement of very extremely low resistance, and the working principle of this Doctor ohm meter method is similar of that our ohm meter. The ductors ohm meter are also known as ductors, which are micro ohm meters, which works by injecting very high current through the conductor in order to measure the extremely low resistance with excellent accuracy and resolution. In practical application, for testing contact resistance in switches, bonds, and circuit breakers, they are used. Now coming to the diagram of ohm meter, ductors ohm meter. Now this is a Doctor ohm meter method. Here we can see that we are having a two types of coil, current coil and a potential coil. So like in our previous methods which we have studied in our first chapter, basic instruments of measuring current and voltage and power. So here we are having a current coil and a potential coil. Our current coil is being shunted with our resistance under the test. This current coil will carry the current which is proportional to the current that is in our resistance under the test, and this potential coil which is in series with the resistance under the test will carry the current which is proportional to the voltage drop across this resistance under the test. So these two will create a torque, and the deflecting torque will be produced in this pointer, and this will indicates the total resistance in this resistance under the test. So basically we are having our V and our I, and this is our ratio meter. Also we can say this Doctor ohm meter method is a basic kind of a ratio meter which are having kinds of torque, and by resultant torque we are having a resistance in this case. So here the current coil are connected and this potential coil are connected. Our battery supply B is being employed and consists of one or more cells in parallel. These should be preferably of robust alkaline type and required ampere hour capacity of being 250 and to give discharge current of up to 100 ampere. This automatic cutout is provided here to project any movement against damage. If there is any damage, we can cut this supply. So this set of Doctor ohm meter method is employed to measure the low resistance for few ohms to 1 micro ohm. There are different kind of ranges of measurement of resistance from this. We can change the range from one range to another by changing this shunt resistance S, which is of compromising of current coil. We can have over 5 types of ranges in this type of instrument. First one is 0 to 500 micro ohm, then 0 to 5 milli ohm, then next 0 to 50 milli ohm, then 0 to 500 milli ohm, and then last one is 0 to 5 ohm. Basically these are the ranges. Okay, these are the ranges. These ductors tester can be found in many variation also, like micro, mega and milliohm meters. Apart from this ranging, we can measure the resistance of different application of electrical testing. These are of in general two types: series type ohm meter and a shunt type ohm meter. The criteria for testing the any resistance by evaluating the contact resisting depending upon the metallic surface where we are just measuring the resistance, the contact pressure, the type of connection like soldering is done there, bolted, clamped or welding is done there. So there is basic criteria of the ductor test. And in operation we have seen that the torque produced by current coil and potential coil respectively gives us the resistance by the pointer. So here we have completed like this topic, ohm meter method. That's all in this method. It's a smallest method in this chapter. And in next lecture we will start the measurement of medium resistances, where we can study four types of method, that is ammeter voltmeter method, substitution method, Wheatstone bridge method, and the last one is Carey-Foster bridge method. So here I am ending this video. For any query you can write me. The lecture notes will be provided to our college website. Till then, continue your lectures, stay healthy and stay safe.